Alright guys, so just as your health officials will tell you, wash your hands, sanitize, and whatever you do, keep your hands away from your face, alright? So this message was brought to you by Demetress. What you think you're doing? So it's a challenge you want, and it's a challenge you shall get. Prepare for battle. Fortunately, my right hand, you are just too slow. You will never keep up. You could never outsmart Mr. Left. Hello guys, what's up? My name is Demetress and welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'll be talking about what it means to be a dividend investor and how the COVID-19 virus is affecting my portfolio. But before I start, let's do a little backstory of how I got started in investing. The year 2012, just came from work and travel. Me and my friend Alex. Now we were at the bus stop talking one day and he said he got a broker. I'm like, a broker for what? Buying stocks. I say, yo, you're rich, stock market? Man say, yeah, invest some money and then every quarter I get dividend payments. I'm like, I didn't even hear the word dividend, I just heard payments. I'm like, so you get paid to invest? Him say, yeah. I'm say, I always thought that you have to buy the stocks and when them increase the value that time you sell it. Man say, no. You get paid also to have it. So I'm like, so you're saving your money and your money ever go up, plus you're getting paid. Sold immediately. Went to JMB with 40,000 Jamaican dollars, and I was saying,
yes, 40,000 whole heap of money. We can make a lot of money with that.
Went to the broker, told her what kind of account I wanted. Forgot to mention that I wanted a dividend stock. By the way, the lady offered me some stocks that I would like to go through and what type of investor I am. So she said, here's a stock, GWest, they just came out. I didn't ask what type of stock they were, if they paid dividend, what their profit is like, anything. Immediately as the lady said new, I said new, that means the value can go up. Here's my $40,000, take it all, invested in that company. Went home trying to teach myself how to use the feature that they have to buy stocks on, which is called the money line. And I think a couple months after that, I didn't really pay much mind, but a couple months after that, it's like the $3 stock, which was GWest, went down to $1. I had to panic immediately. So I sold everything. And when I sold everything, I took up Usinko, just based off the fact that somebody said invest in companies that you see yourself using their products a lot. Usinko prices went up. So flash forward in this year, I saw the articles and I saw the YouTube videos and news report every minute that stocks in Jamaica have went up. Our stock market is performing so great, and immediately it's just the lack of knowledge that when we see higher prices, we tend to jump in when the prices are high, thinking that it will just continue going high. Finished university and got a job, so I'm like, yeah, I have some capital to invest. So starting January, started to invest, and the portfolio started to grow. Invested in quite a few stocks and the portfolio started to grow, and I get a little bit of dividends here and there. Not much to talk about because it's not a lot of money invested. Flash forward a month ago or a couple weeks ago, this happened.
The JSE index declined by 3,813 points today, and Russia, two major oil-producing countries, are locked in a price war. The Dow Jones Industrial crashed 2,000 points today. Benchmark S&P 500 tumbled 7%, its lowest since June 2019.
So not only did the prices of the stock went down, but my portfolio along with it. But to give you guys a better insight of how the virus actually made my portfolio decline, I would have to show you guys what's in my portfolio. And a side note of why I am not panicking because my portfolio is falling, because I'm a dividend investor. And if you guys don't understand what that means, you will understand further in this video why being a dividend investor in these down moments when stock prices are completely strong, you'll understand why I'm kind of excited for this new journey. Alright, so stick on. So currently the first stock that I possess in my portfolio is Carreras. And as you can see here, I have on the JSC Watch app. You guys can download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. I have 5,114 shares in this company. The price is currently at $7.18. And as you can see here, when I first bought this in January 28, 2020, it was $8.10. It was $8.13. Then $8.06, $8.49, and $8.50. That was the highest I ever bought that amount in this company. It's $8.50. So I bought this because this company always pay a dividend frequently, like 15 cents, 20 cents, and they always pay it like every 3 months. So I bought into this company, but as you can see, the price right now for Carreras is $7.18. That is right now, my stock and Carreras basically is under by 1.24%. So it's lost 1.24% in Carreras alone. We're going on to stock number 2, which is Epley. And Epley Limited, I have 3,524 shares. And when I bought this share in the 27th of January this year, it was at $15. Second time I bought it was $14.20. And the third time I bought it, it's $14. So, and currently Epley is at $13.50. So basically this portfolio value of Epley is down by 3.57%. Things aren't looking up for my portfolio. Now we're moving on to Express Catering Limited. I bought into Express Catering at $6.15, $5.95 the third time around. They paid a good dividend, so that is why I invested in them at that price. Price was looking to fall a little bit, so I just jumped in and capitalized on that. But now Express Catering is now at $3.70. Big drop again. So we're going on to the fourth stock, which is Epley 8.25. And when I bought them, they were at roughly $6. Now their stock is worth $5, and I have 1,719 shares in that company. So everything basically losing value so far. Now we're at Wisynco. This is where I made a lot of mistakes. I currently have 1,017 shares in Wisynco. And if you guys remember that I bought Wisynco around the same time I bought GWS, around that year Wisynco was at like what, $9. I bought into Wisynco. It got to $15. I made huge profits from Wisynco. And I sold it because I said, yo, this price is going too high too fast and it will crash eventually. So let me just cut my losses and come out. The Wisynco price didn't go down, guys. It went all the way up to where I re-entered because I thought that the prices would go back up, and I'm saying, Wisynco is a good stock to have, so why not just lose some more money and buy it. Anyways, I bought Wisynco at $22, bought 460 shares. Bought Wisynco again for $23.75, and I bought Wisynco again for $24. So I kept buying it even though the prices were going up, because I'm saying this is a good company, especially with the plastic ban in force now and them coming up with clever ways, and the price just keep going higher and higher. Wisynco is going to be a good company to buy into. So I have Wisynco. But the price today of making this video, Wisynco is currently at $17.98, and that's another big loss for my portfolio. Now we're moving on to Wington. I did not lose whatsoever with Wington. I bought Wington at the IPO price, which is 50 cents, and I bought roughly like 50,000 shares. So I made a good amount of money on Wington. The price went up, but as soon as the price started to come down, I sold most of my shares. I sold 45,000 shares at $90. So I made good money with Wington, so I won't even bother talking about with Wington, just saying that I have 5,000 shares right now in Wington, just in case the price go up, because I take my profit from it already. Now I have Victoria Mutual Investment Limited, ordinary shares. I bought 1,000 shares at $10.29 because they pay good dividends. So I'm like, most of the companies that pay good dividends in Jamaica, I will hold them under my belt. I'll take them, no questions asked. But now their price is at $7.23. So that's a major loss again. Now we're going on to Sterling Investments Limited, and I have 2,000 shares which I bought for $3. And now Sterling Investment is at $2.90. So that's not a big fall, it happens. Fluctuations like these happens. Going on to Caribbean Assurance Brokers. So I got a text randomly in the night that, yo, Caribbean Assurance Brokers is on the stock market, IPO, you want to buy him? I said, sure, what's the price? $1.91. Without hesitation, I said, what the heck, $2 stock, jump in. So I initially went through for 2,000 shares, but then they oversubscribed and I only got through for 1,000 shares. So my shares right now is 1,014 shares, and I bought it at IPO price, which is $1.91. It went up to $2.50 the other day. Now it's at $1.87. Not much to complain over. It happens. Prices do fall after IPO and they do go back up. But it wasn't a large investment, so breeze on the shoulder. Now we're going on to the big boys, Scotia. I so want Scotia because Scotia is one of those blue chip stocks. Like Scotia is going to be around forever. That company will not fall. So to get companies like that in your portfolio is awesome because one, they pay dividends. One, their price is mostly linear. So it doesn't follow a trend. It just ride the wave, so it's a consistent stock to have. When Scotia went to 45 cents, I wanted to buy it. Sent through $50,000 on them immediately. As soon as the money go into my bank account, Scotia go back up to $55. So as soon as it went down to $53, I said, what the heck, let us buy some of these shares. I already spent the 50 grand on some other stock, by the way, so I said, what $2,000 can give me? I'll just start building Scotia from now. So I bought Scotia at $53.75, and that's 37 shares. And Scotia is currently at $49.27. Another fall, but it's worth it for this stock because it's something that I want in the future. It's a good stock to have. Now we move on to First Rock. So First Rock came out at $16.67 IPO price, I think. When they came on the stock market, they came at $17.77, and immediately after, since I think it's like 3 days ago, their price just went all the way down to $9. Every day First Rock lost. And I think it's because people don't understand the business of First Rock, because they think that they're just a real estate company, which means they just buy real estate and like have houses to rent, and they do all of that, but they do everything that encompass real estate. Plus they actually are, as you can see, First Rock Capital Holdings, they're a holding company, so they have the potential to buy other companies, invest in them and have them, so they have the ability to own other companies. But their price is taking the time and steadily going back up. I bought First Rock at $9.90, and now First Rock is at $10.78. So that stock actually appreciated. One of the few in my portfolio. Last in my portfolio is Panjam, one more massive Jamaican blue chip stock that, yo, like, these are worth having because one, the dividend good, two, the dividend good. It's a strong company to have. But so as soon as I saw a fall in the price, when usually I used to look at Panjam, it was at $100, and when I saw Panjam went down to $84, I said, nope, let's get at least 500 shares. Let's get into this company early. So I got into Panjam. Yeah, the rest was history. Now I have 500 shares in Panjam, and I bought it at $84.07, and now they're at $86.79. So already making some profit. So with the cause of COVID virus and all the scare that's currently going around in the stock market, you can see why the prices are falling so much. But it's not directly a cause of the virus, but the fear that is instilled in people, and fear causing people to sell because they think that something bad will happen. And I'm not saying that something bad will not happen, because it will happen, but it is what you do in this time. As Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. So going into the real meat of the matter and saying that why I chose to be a dividend investor. So a dividend is basically a payment that the company gives you either quarterly, 2 times for the year, 1 time for the year, anything their contract, which is generally in their prospectus or their business portfolio or just on their website, their dividend policy that they agree upon to pay you. So dividends is just a payment based off the profit that the company makes, which they give to their shareholders. So being a dividend investor, I try to see companies that pay dividends, not only high dividends, which everybody runs after, but consistent dividend. So I hope that I not only fuel my portfolio by using my own capital, but also the profits that I do make from these stocks. So not only appreciation in stock prices, which is not happening now, it's just depreciation, but I still get checks even if the prices go down. So you're saying, yo, so this guy's actually making money off stocks even though the price is going down? Yes, be mindful that dividend correlate with the amount of money you invest. So look at it this way. You buy a piece of land or a house for 100,000, which is just like a bathroom. To rent that, you won't make much money at all. But if you buy a house for like 20 million, which have 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, that's more people to get in, right? And that's more money for you at the end of the month. The same with dividends. Big investment to get okay-ish rewards. The bigger the investment, the better the rewards, or the better the dividends. So that's why I chose to be a dividend investor, because even in a down moment, and if the company lives through by their dividend policy, I will still get my checks. And plus I can buy more of the company when the prices are down. So whenever the market goes up, because it will go up, then I will have more shares equaling to more dividends. Anyways guys, thank you for watching my video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, Demetress Fairman. Head over to my YouTube, well, not my YouTube, I love YouTube, so head over to my Instagram, Demi Tips, and show that Instagram some love. Like, share, and comment, and just keep the conversation going in the comment section. Maybe you guys will learn something, because I am learning myself, and not everything I say is how it is supposed to be, you know, because I Investopedia I use most of the time for learning things. But anyways guys, what a light are going. But anyways guys, thanks for watching, and next video will be coming out shortly.